One of the best kept secrets about Jamaica is that the island is a prime surfing location, second only to Puerto Rico in the Caribbean region. Well, that secret is now out, and surfers the world over are traveling to the island in search of year-round wave conditions that make the eastern coast a surfer's paradise. From Boston Bay in Portland to the Palisadoes Lighthouse in St. Andrew, surfers congregate to hunt the optimal conditions of wind direction, wave height, and underwater topography. Surfing is not new to Jamaica. People have been surfing here for decades. In the 1960s, a young Billy Wilmot began swimming in the massive waves outside his backyard in Bull Bay, where he still lives. Surfing was just a natural progression.
Growing up here with the constant wave action at Cablot Beach, the rough sea most of the year, you get into swimming in the waves and you learn that if you swim with a wave, the wave can actually transport you towards land. You don't even need a board or anything. You just swim and stiffen up your body and lie down.
Billy achieved international notoriety as the lead singer of the reggae band Mystic Revealers. During concert tours overseas, he promoted Jamaica to the surfing world. No one paid attention at first, because the island has a reputation for gently lapping waves and white sand beaches. Against the odds, Billy Mystic convinced major surfing magazines that Jamaica was worthy of their attention. What they saw here impressed their readers around the globe. Two of the Wilmot clan, Ika and Iva, are professional surfers on the international circuit. They're both sponsored by industry labels. Not so for most of the aspiring surfers of Jamaica and their counterparts in Central America and the Caribbean.
I'm not making a living 100% from surfing. I teach surfing when I'm not competing, and that makes up for the other percentage of income that I need. So I teach for a while, and then that makes some money, and then I go and I travel, and whatever I win, I kind of live off that.
If they were in California or Australia or Florida, all of our top junior kids would have contract by sponsors right now, earning sizable amount of income.
We have been holding our contest in St. Thomas, the Maca Pro, for the past, I think, going on the 9th year now, I think.
Billy Mystic and his family have a vision of the sport being an economic stimulus for the underdeveloped eastern parishes. Jamaica's first surf camp, Jamnesia, is run by Billy and his wife Claudette. They cater to the growing number of surf tourists who come to the island each year. The sport is gaining traction in Jamaica, with more than 100 local surfers from all over the island. Meanwhile, the surfing devotees of Bull Bay and Kingston continue to catch awesome waves off Jamaica's eastern coastline.